Hello, this is Greg Gum, and in today's chapter 3, we are going to discuss the command line interface. All right, so as you saw in the earlier demonstration, I showed you how to create a project, but there's more things that can be done with it. So I just wanted to show you that so you have a complete understanding of the CLI. All right, so of course you need to have Node.js installed, which also uses the also installs the Node execution environment XPX, which we're going to use here shortly. So it's pretty easy to install. You just run npx au2 globalize. And the globalize command installs the CLI globally, which means it can be run from any directory. And also it means you can run it without saying npx each time. So that's just a little convenience, but it is in fact running inside the node execution environment. All right, so I've opened up Windows Explorer to chapter 3 here. As you can see, there's nothing in it. And so we're going to use this directory to get started. So I'm holding down Shift, right clicking and saying open PowerShell window here. All right, so now I'm going to run that npx au2 globalize. So as you can see, it just installed one package in less than half a second. So now I can run au2 and it will show me the commands currently available. So now notice right now there's only 3 commands. So we've already run the globalize, so that really doesn't help us. If you run just au2 without anything, it's the same as running help, and it shows these. So really the only thing you can do at this point is create a new project, right? So let's go ahead and do that. au2 new. All right, so I showed this before, so I'm just going to run through this briefly. Project my app, yes. I want the basic default TypeScript Aurelia 2 app with TypeScript and Webpack. And dependencies, yes. All right, so as I showed you, after you install, there's only 3 commands, the au2, new, help, and globalize. But wait, there's more. If you cd into the project, magically there are more commands available. And these commands are coming from package.json in the scripts section. So let me show you that. So here we're at where it was like, or so here we're at the, so I just did the install, or I just created a new project. And so here we are. So now if I run the au2, it still gives me just the same default commands. But now if I cd into my app, cd my app, and then I run au2, looky there, we suddenly get quite a few more commands, right? We have the default one, but now we have these localize, analyze, lint, pretest, start, and test. So those are actually coming from the package.json. And so let me show you that too. All right, so here we are in Dev Chapter 3, and this is the project that was created. So I'm going to right click and say Open with Code. And this brings up that directory. So we go over here to package.json, and then we have the dev dependencies, but then we have this little script section. So here we see lint, pretest, start, build, analyze, and test. So anything that's in here, you can run from the CLI. So let's run one of those, such as start. All right, so here we are, and I'm going to type in AU2 and start. So it's first compiling with Webpack, the binaries, and then it's loading it up. It opened up on my second screen here, so I moved it over, and as you can see, it opened up to localhost 9000 and gave us hello world. So here you can see that web server still running. So if you want to stop the web server, just do a Control C. I take that back. That's not Control C, it's Control Break, and it breaks out of there. All right. So you have those additional commands available once you're actually in that project directory. All right, so the last thing you might want to do is uninstall your Aurelia 2 CLI. So you can do that with npm uninstall and that little parameters for globally, and then it says, okay, this is what it is that we're uninstalling. All right, so here we are, and I'm going to say npm uninstall G and AU2. And it's removed, so now if we run AU2, as we can see, boom, it's gone. All right, so that's the long and short of the CLI. It's just a useful tool for spinning up new projects and running your website and doing a little house cleaning. All right, so there you have it. Don't forget to subscribe, click like if you like, leave a comment if there's something that you would like to see or know of something that would be great to hear about. All right, thank you so much. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.